Kursi explained, the one ayah that will change how you see your life forever. Have you ever had a moment when everything felt in your control, your plans, your money, your future, and then suddenly one small event reminded you that you control absolutely nothing? A delay, a sickness, a loss, a fear at night when the room is quiet. And in that moment, your heart whispers something your mind already knew. You are not in charge. Udu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My brothers and sisters, today we are talking about the greatest ayah in the Qur'an. An ayah not sent just to be recited, but to wake us up. An ayah that doesn't just teach information, it reshapes how you see yourself, your life, and your Lord. Because sometimes we are Muslim by name, but distracted in heart. We believe, but we don't always feel belief. And Allah sends reminders not because we don't know, but because we forget. Allah begins by shifting your focus. Allah introduces himself in a way that immediately removes every illusion we live with. He is the ever-living, not living like us, dependent, fragile, temporary. He is the one whose life never began and will never end. You and I, we measure life in years. Allah's life is beyond time. You get tired, you sleep, you get overwhelmed, you break down. Allah never does. And the moment you understand that, your stress starts to shrink, because the one managing your life never loses control. You own nothing. You were trusted. We say, my house, my car, my job, my child, my success. But the ayah gently pulls the rug from under that illusion. Everything in the heavens and the earth belongs to him. That hand you call yours, a gift. The breath you just took, borrowed. Your intelligence, loaned. Your opportunities, given. Think about it. There are people smarter than you with fewer chances, and others less qualified than you with more doors opened. Why? Because control is not in human hands. Provision is not based only on effort. Ownership is not what you think it is. When this settles in your heart, arrogance disappears. Gratitude grows, anxiety softens. Your life isn't running by luck. Not a leaf falls except he knows. Not a hardship touches you randomly. Not a delay happens by accident. We panic when plans fail, but the one running the universe never panics. He doesn't sleep. He doesn't get tired guarding creation. Your safety, your health, your family, not protected by systems, security, or savings, but by the one who guards the sun in its orbit and the oceans in their boundaries. Imagine the calm of knowing the guardian of the galaxies is guarding your tomorrow. The day you will truly feel need right now, we depend on people, family, friends, employers, society. But there is a day coming when every support system disappears. A day so crowded, yet you will feel more alone than ever before. And on that day, you will need someone to speak on your behalf. But no one can speak unless Allah allows it. Your status won't matter, your followers won't matter, your titles won't matter. Only your relationship with Allah will. So what are we investing in today? You don't know as much as you think. We live in an age of information, degrees, opinions, confidence, but Allah reminds us the knowledge you have is only what He allowed you to have. You came into this world knowing nothing, and even now compared to divine knowledge, we still know almost nothing. This humbles the believer. Iman is not pride, it is surrender. The stronger your faith becomes, the smaller your ego becomes. True greatness comes from being a servant. The world teaches, be independent, be self-made, be above others. Islam teaches something deeper. The highest honor is being a servant of Allah, because when you bow to the one who owns everything, you are freed from bowing to everything else: people, money, status, fear. Servitude to Allah is not weakness, it is the ultimate liberation. So why does this ayah matter to you? Because it rebuilds your heart. It reminds you, you are not alone. You are not in control, and that's okay. Your life has purpose. Your Lord is watching, guarding, knowing. It teaches calm in chaos, humility in success, patience in hardship, gratitude in ease. This ayah isn't just theology. It is emotional healing. It is spiritual grounding. It is perspective, final reflection. Next time fear hits, next time plans fall apart, next time you feel small, remember, you are small, but your Lord is not. And when the small one is connected to the greatest, he is never truly weak. Let this ayah not just be something you recite before sleep. Let it change how you live when you wake up. Because the one who truly knows Allah walks through life differently, calmer, humbler, stronger, and always aware that the one who never sleeps is taking care of everything. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.